What is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you another video. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. It is Friday the 29th. For those of you that have been with the channel for the last couple weeks now, you know today is a very important day. Well, technically tomorrow is the big day, but today is also a big day because there's a lot going on, and I'm gonna go ahead and share that with you right now. So for those of you that know, and for those of you that don't know, if you don't know, hit the subscribe button, because after you do that, then you will know. Tomorrow, guys, we are heading to VMP Performance to get this Lucifer to finally live up to the name with their VMP GEN3R supercharger kit. And I couldn't be more excited, guys. And you're probably looking at the car. It's flawless right now, I will say. I just took the last 2 hours completely washing every nook and cranny, hand detailing it all and stuff. Of course, I'm gonna go ahead and show that off to you guys right now. Starting off with the inside, guys, we have absolutely everything cleaned up. I'm a firm believer if your car's clean, just makes you feel better, puts you in a better mood, and that's exactly what I wanted to do. Many of you might actually think I'm kind of crazy for fully detailing my car, considering that we're going to be in the car for about 10 to 12 hours tomorrow, and it's going to get filthy anyway, but got a full tank of fresh Shell 93 in here. Car's completely detailed, super clean, interior super clean. But Virginia got hit with some crazy pollen about 3 or 4 weeks ago, and it was caked in here. It was actually kind of disgusting. Glad I took care of that as well today. But when I say I detailed this thing, I detailed it, because I even did the engine bay. Because take a long, good stare, guys. This is probably going to be one of the last times you see this engine bay stock as can be. So take one last long look, everybody, because once we get to VMP, they are going to go ahead and do their magic and slap on that big old Gen3R on there. Yeah, this thing is going to freaking transform, man. While we're at it, let's go ahead and take a quick look at the exterior. Got those wheels all shined up. It's all glossy. You know, it got the works today, and oh, look at that. Oof. It makes me feel good that my car is super clean. You can call me crazy, psychotic, whatever you have, but freaking stoked, guys. We're going to Florida. Let's actually go ahead and touch up on that subject about Florida as a whole. So about last week or a week before, I did mention I was heading to Florida. Obviously, it's where VMP is located, and I was going to be staying with Mustang Lifestyle, Andrew, what have you. For those that watch his channel, you know Andrew actually broke his knee pretty good, and that is no longer happening. I could tell Andrew felt bad about this when he gave me the call, and you know, I was kind of bummed just because it is Andrew's house. You know, he has all the Mustangs and stuff. Him and I were going to absolutely bang out a ton of content for you, but you know, some things happen. I think he tried to like Matt Hoffman flare off a set or something and broke his knee. I don't know. But anyway, as I was saying, Andrew did feel bad because he offered Ben and I the space for the whole week, and it's all good though. Andrew, I hope you recover fast. I hope you can at least see the car boosted before I leave. He went ahead and pulled some strings for me, and I don't know if you guys have heard of him, but Jonathan Harder, I am going to be staying with him, Ben and I, and really quick, I don't want you guys thinking I'm like trying to couch surf on purpose. I could definitely afford my own hotel room for the week if I wanted, but I am buying a house here within the next couple months, so you know, every little penny does help, especially when it comes to saving, and I'm sure many of you guys can understand that. So with that being said, Jonathan Harder, thank you so much for opening up your door to Ben and myself for the full week. Go check out his channel, guys. Link is right up here. Show him some love. Drop hashtag DBP Squad for the win on his recent video. So yeah, a little curveball in our plans, not too big of a deal. At the end of the day, guys, tomorrow, it's happening. It just blows my mind standing here right now looking at this car, knowing I've only had it for a little over a year. I've gone through so many phases with it, and this next week coming up is probably going to be one of the biggest, absolute best changes on this car that is ever going to go down. VMP, I truly can't thank you enough, and I hope you're freaking ready, because I am coming out there swinging with content, ready to push this car, and we are going to just bring a fun week to you guys. Ben is coming with me as well, so this trip is gonna be pretty interesting. So I did want to bring you guys this little update video. I had another video planned for today, but guys, I've honestly been running around like a chicken with its head cut off for the last 6 hours, and I have no drive to sit down and edit a full vlog right now, and I feel like just catching you guys up with all the little details and stuff is good, and yeah, that's why I'm filming this today. Also, guys, here comes a very important announcement for those of you that have been signed up with the DBP Squad memberships. This coming week, it is gonna pay off for you guys. Not only are we gonna have normal content on the channel, but with the community tab, I am going to be posting exclusive sneak peeks and behind the scenes of the whole car getting supercharged and the whole process. So if you guys aren't a member and you are interested in getting that access, that is one of the many perks you are going to receive with becoming a member. So make sure you guys go do that. There's gonna be a link in the description, a link down in the comments. Go click that link, guys. Sign up with the membership tier. I think we're at 109 members. So for you 109, you're gonna be the only eyeballs that see sneak peeks of this whole entire week, and I can't wait to bring that for you guys. Other than that, guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for your continued support. And as far as tomorrow's live stream, I will be hosting a live stream. Make sure your phone is on, not on vibrate. I'm not too sure what time I'll be going live, but it's gonna be in the car on my phone, so it's gonna be a different setup than last 3 weeks. Just work with me when it comes to that. The good thing about live streaming in the car is it will pass us some time, and as I said, we have a 10 to 12 hour drive tomorrow, so expect a 5 to 6 hour live stream in all honesty. But yes, ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow is the day, and I couldn't be more excited to bring this car to VMP and have them do their work. Sneak peek! But until next time, we'll see you later.